Scrapbookers, this is Megan and I am back today with my very last layout using this summer kit. I am so beyond excited with how much I used up with this kit. This pink paper that you can barely see in the background because I've got all the scraps out on my desk and I'm trying to kind of sort through them, but it's not really working. But you can see that pink paper behind there. That is the only 12 by 12 piece of paper I have left. So that's the one I'm going to use. Here, what I am doing is I'm using a sketch from Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches series, and it calls for a lot of tags. So what I'm doing is using a tag shape, and I'm cutting up a bunch of tags from some of the scrap pieces of paper. And then I'm going to start putting them behind the photos. So my layout, I actually am going to turn on the side because my photos are landscape. They're not the portrait. So it works a lot better if I turn it on the side. So this is the placement of the photos that I'm going to put down. And so I'm just going to kind of start putting these tags on. I'm going to make some more tags for that third photo that doesn't have any tags right now. And this one, I think, took me like 25 minutes. This is pretty much all I do. I do a little bit of embellishing, but not much. I am going to do some journaling, just about hanging out as a family together and how much we enjoyed just, yeah, hanging out together. So here I'm going to start cutting down the photos a little bit more so that they'll fit better with the tags, and then I'm going to glue them down one by one. And I am going to use up a few pieces of the sticker sheet and the ephemera and everything. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my layout. Are we done yet? No, I'm just kidding. So here you can see I'm gluing down that top photo cluster. And I did put a yellow sticker up there on that top photo that says good stuff. And now I'm going to cut out another couple of tags for this third photo. And I do add another random layer behind the third photo as well. So this was actually a mood board challenge for the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. I had a lot of fun creating this past weekend with that party, and it also helped me get a lot of stuff done for my channel and everything. So you can look forward to a few new videos this week. I am up over on the Crafty Maven Getaway YouTube channel as well. If you want to come over there, I will try to remember to leave a link below, but I have a new sketch video up over there as well. And this one is also a sketch, so it's just going to be sketch week for me, because tomorrow I am also posting another sketch from Christy's 30 Days of Sketches series from back in May. So fun times. Okay, so here you can see I am putting this bottom photo up on some foam. I just thought that that would make it a little more fun to kind of put that group one up. That's me and all my siblings with my mom and her dad. And yeah, he's an awesome grandpa. I actually need to call him. My mom was telling me how he misses us, all us kids, because none of my mom's kids, none of my siblings or I live anywhere near my grandpa. So he was telling her how much he missed all of us recently, and she was like, he would love to hear from you. So I need to call him. I'm just horrible at calling people, just in general, family, friends, anybody. I'm horrible at calling people. I hate the phone unless it's to text. It's weird, right? Like, I'm the generation that grew up on the phone calling people, not texting, but now I hate calling people. Like, it's just too much work. So much easier just to text. So here I am putting this one word title, just says together. I think I might change it to be family together, or I don't know, hanging out together, something like that. Together just kind of seems so bland. So I might just do like a tile alpha or something that says hanging out together. We'll kind of see. But here I'm just adding a few embellishment and sticker pieces to the layout. And that is going to be it. I'm just so excited with how much I created with this kit. I think I got, gosh, I don't even know how many layouts I got done. Probably like 6 or 7. I'll have to go back and count and see how many I got done. But I will do a layout share hopefully in a few days. And yeah, that is it. I will also come back and do a Kill-A-Kit share for you guys too. So you can look forward to that. I have a ton of scraps left, so I think I'm going to try to bust out a couple of summary project life pages, and then I'll come and do a Kill-A-Kit video probably next week for you guys. So I hope you are having a great Monday, and I will see you guys again very soon. Bye!